Our machine is shipped with empty hydraulic and fuel tanks due to customs regulations. Before starting, always fill with the proper hydraulic oil and fuel. Then, check the oil level. To start the machine, open the control panel cover and secure the support rod in place. Make sure it is firmly locked. Next, attach the control levers to their sockets. Before beginning operation, visually inspect the area around the machine. Ensure that the main drum pressure valve is set to the minus position and the rear rewinding section is in the 0 position. Once these checks are complete, press power on and wait for the screen to activate. When the display appears, press the start button to start the engine. After the engine starts, allow it to reach its operating speed, 1036 RPM. Then you can begin the operation. The first step is to adjust the front leg height. Turn the pressure gauge needle to level 14, orange mark. Use the joystick to raise or lower the front leg as needed. After reaching the correct working height, wrap the rope properly around the bull wheel at the front. Then go to the rear and mount the reel. Open and lock the tensioning system, ensuring that it is fully secured. This section drives the reel, so a firm lock is essential. Once the cable is in place, you must first apply tension to the cable. Go back to the control panel and set the speed valve to 0. Open the rope control lever in the winding direction. Then slowly open the speed valve to start tightening the cable. Watch the pressure gauge as it rises. When the cable is attached, the pressure should reach up to 100 bar. The winding speed can be adjusted using the speed control valve, depending on the operator's needs. When the process is complete, set the valve back to 0, then move the control lever to the neutral position. To operate the bull system, make sure the pull control valve is open in the minus direction. Start the first movement using the control lever. You can increase speed by monitoring the pressure gauge. Do not exceed 150 bar. As pressure increases, the engine RPM will rise. You will see the bulls begin to rotate. The first stage engine speed is 1000 RPM. You can increase it to 1600 RPM using the Engine RPM button. At this level, the pulling speed reaches 30 meters per minute. To reduce speed, slowly lower the control lever. As you pull it down, the system will slow down gradually. Before stopping the bulls, you must first reduce the pressure while in operation. Never stop the system under high pressure. Turn the pull speed valve in the minus direction to release pressure. After the pressure drops, gently stop the system. Finally, lower the engine RPM to return the motor to idle speed. After completing the operation, wait 10 seconds before turning off the power. This is necessary because of the turbo system and extends engine life. Press the engine start-stop button to stop the engine. Once the engine stops, the process is complete. Remove the control levers and place them back in their holders. This step is important. Otherwise, the cover may hit and damage the levers. After securing them, press power off and switch off the emergency stop button. Then close the covers safely. For shipping safety, the battery comes disconnected. Connect it before use. To check the battery, open the box locks. Before each operation, check the battery terminals and make sure they are tight. If everything looks fine, close the box. The Vargel system has designated greasing points. Grease these points every 100 hours of operation. Also, check the oil level on the Vargel shaft before starting work. After greasing both points, the process is complete when grease appears on the sides. The fuel tank has a 150-liter capacity and comes with a locking system. Open the cap with the key and fill from the inlet. Fuel level can be checked on the screen. Never place any object on the tank or step on it. The machine's return filter is equipped with a contamination sensor. When the sensor turns red, the filter must be replaced. The pressure filter is located under the machine. When its color turns red, it's time for replacement. Check every 150 hours of operation. The machine operates with number 46 hydraulic oil. The oil tank capacity is 300 liters. Oil should be replaced every 1,000 hours. To drain the oil, simply open the drain valve. The panel contains all electrical connections. If any fuse blows, it must be checked only by authorized personnel. The panel has an IP65 waterproof rating, but do not spray it with pressurized water.